Hello, guys. This is Oscar here. Today is a really good day to learn several lessons here about trading, either cryptocurrencies or on the stock market, because now we can see on plain sight all the players in the market here. Now, I will explain to you why it's happening, what is happening today on Bitcoin. Um, this is the period from June of 2022 when the price came down from the highs in November of last year on 2021. And if you want to see uh, some other videos that I have made about the important levels and how to find them, I will leave a description on this video on TradingView, or and also it will be helpful if you go to my website or not my website, my channel on YouTube, and you can subscribe there. I do videos like this almost every other day. So, anyways, let's go to the chart. This chart looks horrible. Let me show you how horrible it looks on 30-minute chart. Look at this action here. This price action is horrible. I will explain to you what's happening. I wanted you to know who is doing this and why. So let me go to the chart. Now, first, before I go there, let's go here on the all-time highs and see what happened. Now, in the market, I want to explain to you the main players that trade the market. Number one, you have the big institutions, the deep pockets. Number two, you have the professional traders, people like you and I that we have some experience trading. And number three, you have the retailers, which is the newbies, the people who are learning about Bitcoin and stocks, then they are most likely are driven by emotions. So here, when you have here the all-time highs here in November, let's let me erase some other lines that I have here. Erase them, okay, and let me open my drawings and let me hide these moving averages. Okay, let's go here to my, let's make it a line here. Okay, in the month of April of 2021, this was the all-time high at the time. Remember, let's pretend we are here and few months later the price came back. And I want you to know something here. The price tried to break through it and it couldn't hold and it came back. Again, for the second time, the price tried to break through it. It closed above, but it couldn't hold the gains and it came back crashing down. Since then, that was the all time highs back in November of 2021. On this time, if you remember, let me make a triangle right here. During this all time right here, well, what was the news then? The news was, Bitcoin is going to $100,000. The Bitcoin, new bull market was going to continue even higher. Bitcoin is going to the moon. I remember a commercial from Matt Damon with Crypto.com saying that that victory is only for the brave. And guess what? If you were one of the braves, I would call the idiots. And I'm sorry because some of us we have to go through it to learn. So if you was one of those braves buying here on all time highs, guess what you are right now? You are at $20,000, $18,000 buying at 68,000. So, well, I'll tell you what. Most likely, what's happening here is happening the opposite. Let me flip the chart. I'll flip it. Let me invert the scale. Guess what? Let's make a line right here on the lows of June. What is it doing? It's trying to break through it. If you listen right now to the news, everything is bearish. Bitcoin is going to 12,000 to 13,000 and probably will. There's a big strong level right there. But what I want you to understand is that in the market, the big institutions are trying to move this market in order for you to do things. To be honest with you, right now I'm buying. I'm not telling you to do it though, because this is only everybody is responsible for their own decisions. This is not a video for you to buy or sell anything. But most likely scenario is that we have a good chance that this was a false breakdown created by the institutions. So for you to sell right here on the bottom. So let me go to the 2 hour chart. Okay, this is why it's happening what is happening right now. All these people, let me make a line here. All these people, no, let me make a triangle better. All these people that are buying right here, let's pretend you are buying there. You and I were buying there. If you buy right here at 18,600, 18,500 to 19,000, where would you put your stop loss? Well, I'm glad you know. You will put your stop loss right under it. So let's say if you buy on this line at 18.6, you will put your stop loss right at 18.1 or 18,000. And guess what? The institutions, they will try to make the price go there in order for them to make the price to collapse so they can buy your Bitcoin cheaper. Because let's guess what? If they try to start buying from here, let's pretend this didn't happen. Let me erase this. Let's pretend this didn't happen. Okay, come on, man. Okay, all right. Let's try in my chart to do something to react. Let me go to the 4 hour because it doesn't let me do it here. Okay, let's say if the institutions try to buy here and just go along over here, guess what? They will have to pay $21,000, $22,000 per coin. Versus if they crash the market, they short the market here with the big deep pockets, and they buy it at 17.5. They have a much better price than if you buy at $21,000. So that's what's happening right now. Now, I'm not saying that will be the case, but I'm thinking that's the case. That's my suspicion. Like I say, don't quote me. Don't think that I'm right because I may be wrong. This thing may be going to $10,000 tomorrow. Now, I will be making some videos in the future on how to position yourself in order that let me tell you something. I was when this crash happened this morning and yesterday. My flat line is $20,000. I'm at $20,000 flat. So guess what? I'm not concerned about that. Why? Because I didn't get in the whole position like that. I still have cash on the sidelines in case this market crashed like today. I just bought more and I brought my average down. So in the future, I will be making videos how to play this market in defensively so you don't get burned on this market. You have to trade this market with respect. So, anyways, I leave a link on the description for my YouTube account. If you want to go there, like it and subscribe, that would really mean a lot to me. God bless, guys, and be careful out there.